Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I made cupcakes, and of course I want to share the recipe with you. For the batter, I'm gonna post ingredients on the screen and in the description box in grams and cups. I will use flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, sugar, granulated sugar, soft butter, milk, vanilla extract 1 tablespoon, and about 50 grams of sunflower or canola oil. So super simple ingredients and available, and I'm gonna mix here flour and baking powder. Dry ingredients first. The 2 eggs in the mixing bowl. I'm gonna use the mixer to combine all these ingredients. A pinch of salt over the eggs. I'm gonna start whisking them, adding sugar gradually and increasing the speed on the mixer so the sugar could dissolve, and to incorporate as much air as possible in the mixture. Add now the oil. Incorporate butter. We need soft butter. You can also melt it if you prefer that way. A tablespoon of vanilla extract. And I will start alternating dry ingredients, flour and baking powder, and milk. Mix everything together and the batter is ready. Pour the mixture in the cupcake molds. I put also some of those awesome printed papers. I preheated the oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. I'm filling the molds, as you can see, not all the way through, about 3/4, and I'm gonna bake this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna do the frosting, for which of course we need butter, soft butter or room temperature, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, whipping cream, and food dye and sprinkles. First I need to soften up the butter, and again I'm using the mixer. Just mix it up for a few minutes until you see that it's nice and creamy. And start adding powdered sugar. Continue to mix until it's well incorporated. Add whipping cream, mix it up, and the frosting is ready in just a few minutes. I want to decorate my cupcakes with this frosting in 3 colors. So I start with a drop of pink in a bit of the frosting that I took separately in one bowl, and I'm gonna place it in a piping bag. I will take another dollop of that frosting and add a bit more of the pink. You can add a bit of purple until you have a more intense color. And again, place it in a piping bag. And even more intense pink with the last one. Make sure to combine the color really good with the frosting. And this is how all the colors that I'm gonna use look like. And when the cupcakes are baked, I took them off the oven, let them cool down for a bit, and we will decorate them as nice as possible. Now just take your time and do the best you can at this, and enjoy, have fun. A few sprinkles over there will bring some lights and color, so you can use those as well. And also, as you can see, I'm using different piping tips. Because the cupcakes that I have are pretty small, the piping tips that I'm using are tiny as well. A few silver sprinkles, as I said, to bring light. And our cupcakes looks amazing, and they will be really good. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, 5 reasons to smile. Bye bye.